She Barbers, how may I help you?
How you doing?
How are you?
I sent my boy Jamal to y'all for a taper.
A taper?
Yeah.
What do you want to sit with?
And, huh?
What barber would you like to sit with?
No, he already came.
Oh, you sent Jamal in for a taper.
Yeah, I just want, the results I got was, they was astonishing. I said, look at this boy. I just had to call y'all.
Oh, alright, I'm glad to hear that. You know what barber cut him?
Nah. Y'all sent my boy home looking like Don King.
That's good.
I said, no. I said, who is this grown man walking through my house? It was Jamal. The boy came in the house crying. I looked at his head and I just turned around. It looked like two alley cats fought on top of this boy's head.
It look bad?
It was a patch here, a patch there. I could have played checkers on top of this boy's head, and I thought about it. Y'all left my boy head in critical condition.
I'm sorry to hear that. And the owner, he comes in on Wednesday. If you'd like to give him a call, you can tell him about it.
Jamal gotta come back for another cut. Listen, we walking through Walmart. A little boy walk up to my son. He said, who cut your hair? Stevie Wonder or Freddie Roach?
Oh, shit.
I said, Lord, I said, not my boy, not my blood, not Jamal.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Somebody really messed up my kid's head, man.
When did he come in?
He came in a couple days ago. It wasn't today. Y'all just opened up, right?
We just opened up with the shop?
Yeah. Listen.
No, not this one. This one been open.
Listen. No, I was talking about this morning.
Uh-huh.
Look, my son came in and he said he wanted a DC on the side of something about a Denzel taper in the back. Y'all just said, forget it, that's too complicated. We gonna get this little boy a George Jefferson. I'm looking at George Jefferson right now.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
What barber?
Y'all messed up my kid's head, man. My boy look 52.
Yo, he's like, he said my boy looks 50.
Dog. Nah, dog. No. This ain't no, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. Listen, dog. I'll get physical over my son.
All right, but what barber?
Listen, I ain't go golden gloves, but I want aluminum gloves, dog.
He said, I ain't with gold gloves. I wore aluminum gloves.
Hold on, dog. You think you ever seen Karate Kid?
Yeah, I think Karate Kid.
I was in there. I walked through the set and picked up trash for them. I picked up trash off the street for them.
Yeah.
You better ask somebody, dog.
I got you.
I picked up trash off that set. I was the cleaning man for Karate Kid.
Yo, Carlo put his head. He said, you think Karate Kid? He said, well, I cleaned up the set.
That funny, dog. I'm gonna come in there with a laser eye, boy, and I'm gonna point it in your eye. We're gonna see how long you'll be cutting after that. Boy, dog, who gonna cut my kid?
I don't know.
Who cut my kid hair? What's your name, boy?
Oh, my name's Chris.
Your name, Chris. You say your name, Chris.
Yeah, my name's Chris.
Well, what you wanna do, dog?
What you want to do?
Cause you think something funny, bro. Y'all sitting there laughing, but my kid's sitting here looking old.
I'm sorry to hear that.
My kid look old, man. He got school.
You got school?
He got school to go to.
And then you go to college.
What? You think something funny? Huh? Boy, y'all need some new clippers or something. Y'all need some new clippers, cause y'all can't cut.
Yeah, I guess.
So who gonna fix my boy head?
The owner, he be here Wednesday.
Who the owner?
Will Max.
You the owner today, boy.
I ain't the owner.
Is you there right now?
Nah, I left.
Nah, you there. And somebody else there too.
Nope, we leaving. We done for the day.
Put the other boy on the phone. The boy said, pick A through C. Who cut your head? A, Ray Charles. B, Stevie Wonder. C, Freddie Roach. I said, son, go with Freddie Roach. That's your best option. No, you think it's funny.